let's look at, I think it's a really good idea to just do a little bit of meta-language professional development. Here we go. We've got, I said 2 words there, right? Digraph, and I said diphthong. Okay, the thing that the words digraph and diphthong have in common is their first base. So there's a base here, di, right? And it means 2. Yep, really ugly number 2 there. So it means 2. The difference between a digraph and a diphthong is this. They are 2 different types of language. Graph means that which is written, right? So if something is in graphic form, it's written down. Yep, that's what graph means, okay? Your autograph is self-written. A biography is a written thing about someone's life, right? Do you see where the graph is? So a digraph is written. It's a thing which is written, and this is the structure of the word digraph. So you've got di, meaning 2. So let's do an analytic word sum. Di plus graph gives us digraph, 2 things that are written down. And every single box in here after these lines, this key line and this key row, are digraphs. They are 2 things written down. Coming to the next word, we'll do an analytic word sum on that. We've got the word diphthong. It's di, meaning 2, plus thong, which is really hard to say, giving us diphthong. Not diphthong. It's not something that you dip your thongs into, right? A diphthong is 2 places of articulation, right? That thong thing, thong thing comes from Greek to do with place of articulation, to do with places and pronunciation. So it's a diphthong, 2 places of pronunciation. So let's go to oi, which is a digraph because it's written down with 2 letters, but it's also a diphthong because when you say it, you go like this, oi. So I'm slowing it down for you. You start with your lips rounded. That's 1 place of articulation. Or, and then you pull your lips back to make a smiley place, e, oi. But you're saying it all within 1 impulse of your voice. There is 1 syllable in that, oi. And that gives us something called a diphthong. That, I can't believe I wrote it wrong. I hate it when I do that. Diphthong. It's really easy to write diphthong. And people want to say diphthong because nobody wants to go, that's really hard. I understand why you would want to say diphthong, but it's diphthong, diphthong, right? Sorry, but that's what it is. So anyway, graph, thong, 2 different things, 2 different forms of language. That's a diphthong.